75 of Pagnotta. Oh, and problems for your leader, and the problems for the 75 of Pagnotta, who rolls up over the back of the 8 car.
Allen trophies. Body off of it at the top end of the racetrack. That thing just disintegrated. Leah's car blows the whole body off of it at the top end of the racetrack. That thing just disintegrated.
For everyone who was down there. Then one corner later, Rick Collett lost it on the grass, and just as big an impact with the barriers, and over goes the 95 truck.
Olha isso,
Olha
rapaz.
isso é um crime. Isso denigra o evento, denigra o esporte e chama todo mundo aqui de palhaço. É o que esse cidadão está fazendo. Está chamando de palhaço cada amante do automobilismo, cada profissional do automobilismo.
Olha o
C'est parti, qui va prendre le meilleur départ? Oh, alors que déjà nous avons Gwenaël Delomier qui se retrouve en difficulté. Oh là, un énorme accident, le pauvre.
Looks inside, looks outside. He's going to have to be committed to going the whole way around the two apexes, the two apices. Side by side by side, and then there's a clash, and unfortunately, if things go wrong, it tends to happen for the Porsche Ticino Cayman.
What? Here's what happened there then. Oh my goodness! Oh my God! Holy Mother of God.
Don't throw it. Oh, he spun. There's contact. He's over. Braden Eves, hard impact, upside down in turn number 11.
Catch the safety car, and a reminder of why we've had this interruption. That was the Goodwin spin, and almost in synchronisation, Daniel Alaman went around, but he caught the barrier, and Alex McDowell caught the Porsche. Big hit that.
Yeah, that was a big hit. I mean, luckily it was at the rear of the car, not at the door. So the Aston Martin goes round. Then all of a sudden the Porsche just shreds every bit of blue. I mean, the bodywork all over the racetrack.
These guys are all nose to tail. You can't really see the flagger, and he just gets into the back tire and drives right over the top of that car. And another example of how the safety screen is really, I believe, just saved Rinus VK's life with that.
By side. Zendelli on the left-hand side, Caldwell on the right. Zendelli hanging on to it, and then there's the spin for Ollie Caldwell. Will he be collected? Yes, he will, unfortunately.
So and that is what a Formula 3 gearbox looks like.
Yeah.
And he's parked on the fence.
Yeah, beautifully done.
How on earth has that happened?
The car in the same place.
Yep. So that's the oversteer we're talking about.
Clips the inside wall, then gets a little bit bumpy going in. Right up over the tyre wall, gets through.
Now let's see if we can piece it all together. There he's off in the background, and then the car just digs in. Over it goes.
Yeah, for some reason he was out on the right-hand side. Wow, that must have gone over.
Ja, en voor Fabio Quartararo betekent dat dan, terwijl Zarco inmiddels is... Oh, dit is de machine van Viñales volgens mij. Viñales inderdaad.
Dat doe je vooral. Ja, dat doe je dan bij... Oké, ik sla het schip, want dat wordt hem niet meer. Je hebt hier namelijk al veel te weinig ruimte.
Buitengewoon zuur voor Joan Mir, maar we hebben...
Man, was that unbelievable to watch, and you got to think that this kind of track really suits a guy.
Oh no! Sexton right into that down rider. We got riders dropping everywhere here in this whoop section.
9 goes well wide, turns in. Can he get down the inside? No, his teammate's down the inside.
He's got the inside. He's got the inside for Magnets as they go through, but it's the run to Beckett's, which is big contact. Big contact. Off goes Freddie Tomlinson. Pearson off as well.
Por afuera va la máquina de reposo, a ver quién prevalece, y es Diego y Estusa que está segundo, y el cuarto de la carrera, que nada más. ¡Ay! Mira cómo se engancharon, uy qué piña, uy qué vuelco, uy qué piña impresionante de Gómez, se enganchó allí con la máquina. in the championship for platinum and for gold. When we get the moment, Jeremy, huge hit.
Și în zona de finish, iată, apare în acest moment și liderul campionatului național de raliuri Betano. Este vorba de Simone Tempestini, secundat de același Sergiu Sebastianitu. Iese foarte larg acolo și nu se poate, răsucire, ieșirea în decor, ia mașina foc lui Simone Tempestini. Să sperăm că o să iasă.
A challenging race for the touring cars. Number 3 car, Yang Shi. It's almost like deja vu, and then
その後ろには平木礼二も続いていて、荒川凛も続いていきます。さあルーミーカラーの岩沢優吾も続いていくというところ。接触あってクラッシュ、大きなクラッシュ。
Rear with a big dent in it as well, and he followed off the, oh my goodness, that's a huge impact coming out of the carousel, followed off.
Get out front and then just start running those fast, consistent laps. Dominic Doyle outbrakes himself going in. That's another big mistake from Dom Doyle, and he crashes.
Down in a big collision.
That is big.
Oh,
man.
Unfortunately, they couldn't see him. So a big collision. What?
Olha só.
O Ted pegou a parte. Nossa, rapaz, olha isso.
Que banca do Eduardo Baccarin, hein, rapaz?
Ele bateu forte, bateu no muro.
That's unrelated. Scott Maxwell hits the brakes and it just goes, doesn't it?
Right,
and sideswipes the Aston.
Yeah, I think he obviously didn't see the Aston there alongside him by the looks of it, unless there was a problem on the Mustang that caused it to turn.
Not too far behind, and Alexander Rossi as well. Pick up the rookie, there's a spinner. Connor Daly spins it. Big hard hit for, I think, Oliver Askew.
Oliver Askew lost it in the smoke, and that was a massive hit.
Yes, it is. So where is that going out of turn 7? Is that
on a damp curb? Presumably, that's a big hit into the tyres and on.
Red flag out. Of course, Johnny. One has to suddenly look at from the onboard. Just the smallest of switches over that red and white striping, and.
But he and Mosack will make contact right there on the right rear of the 50 car, sends him up into Skinner, who gets into the wall. And do you know who missed that? Man, Jerry Artuso. Did you see that? How great is that? Look at the barrel there, and there's the right side of that. Oh, man, knocked the window out.
Ja pierdolę!
Where is the car?
Gdzie jest auto, kurwa?
Where is the car?
Toittakaa patka poikki, vittu!